Hey, what is up, YouTube? So today we got our hands on the Amazfit. It's got the AMOLED display, water resistant up to 50 meters, built-in GPS. It's lightweight, and it's definitely, going to be a better built than your normal smartwatch. Since this price is about $100, um, but I got this off a deal for about $50, which is a pretty good price. So once you open the box, this will be what it looks like, and then you get this watch here. In the box, it will come with a USB for charging. It's got its own adapter, USB type A. It's got the manual. So in the box, you got the manual. So this is the watch itself. So it is definitely pretty lightweight. The screen size is fairly big. Well, it's normal size, and it actually feels pretty plastic, and actually feels kind of cheap. But this got the metal surround, and yeah, let me pause this video and get back to you. So yeah, the screen size itself is pretty big, but on the hand, it does rest on my wrist pretty good. I don't have a huge wrist or anything, but this is what it looks like. The band itself does feel pretty cheap. As I mentioned, the back, does feels like hard plastic, but it does rest on the hand pretty good. The button feels okay when you press it on it. I'll give this watch a test a couple of weeks, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Yeah, stay tuned.